Are we on?
Yeah.
Right. Not a LiPo fire.
Oh, it's on fire!
Yeah.
It's on fire! It's on fire! Oh my god! That car is unsafe. Nanny, it's lucky I noticed it. It was on fire!
Well, that was a surprise. As I say, not the LiPo. It's the electronics inside. Right, that looks like that's a wire came loose on the ESC, or that may have melted out. But either way, it's the ESC that's gone. It's a bit of a surprise. So there. Right, we're out in my garage to have a look at this because it stinks where it's burnt plastic. The ESC originally had a different type of battery connector on it, so I've got an adapter on there that goes down to a I can't remember what they're called now, XT60 battery connector. So that leads okay up to here, all the way up to the ESC. Then the other side of the ESC, as I mentioned in the little video I shot on site, that leads come loose, but that may just be it simply melted out when it was burning. So that makes me think, going down to the motor here, either we've got a short circuit, well, either the motor's dead and it's short circuited, or possibly, I can't see it because it's all burnt now, but possibly these connectors maybe had slipped out slightly and there was live contact across there. What I'm going to do is cut them and put a meter on them. I suppose I could cut them right back here actually. It's not really going to make much difference being to the ESC because that is dead, isn't it? Not going to save much from that. Well, a heatsink might be worth saving for some reason, but that's about it. Don't know that heatsink was doing anything, to be 100% honest. Other than looks. Anyway, back to these bits. So, cut that bit off as well. Burnt plastic makes your fingers black. Take that off. Take that off, because I'm just wondering whether the motor has died on a... It was running alright on the previous outing, but that doesn't mean it's not dead now. Three or 4 ohms going into the motor doesn't sound very much, does it? I'm just turning the wheels a little bit, just in case it's one of the coils is gone. but we're not getting a significantly different reading from any position. Because I don't actually know what resistance I should be getting from that motor, so I'm going to take a risk and chuck some power through it. I've got a 2S LiPo here. So here goes nothing. So, motor's running. So it's not the motor. Just try and swap them over. Not a very safe connection, but it's just enough for us to get some power in there and see it running. So it should be the other way. So it's not the motor's dead. Although it does look like I ought to replace the wires on it. So it looks like it was just the ESC has died dramatically. That's a shame. That's all disconnected again before you panic that I got loose wires like that hanging around on the LiPo battery. That's just a 2S, that one. I was running it on a 3S. But yeah, it looks like the motor's still running. And it was the ESC that gave up. Right, I'll go and wash my hands. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. And you might like to subscribe over there.